Isa sa mga paboritong snacks ng mga Pilipino ang chicharon at ang isang pamilyang Pilipino ang ginawa itong negosyo. 2 dekada na po ang nakakaraan at ngayon makikita na ito sa ilang mga sikat na grocery stores. Paano nga ba napalago ng magkapatid ang negosyong Porky's Chicharon? Narito ang report ni Teresa Redula.
This is the first flavor we have, original flavor.
Taong 1999 nang simula ni Gavino at Alvaro Amurao ang negosyong Porky's Chicharon sa Scarborough, Ontario. Humble beginnings para sa kambal na magkapatid na matagal na raw hinahangad na maging entrepreneur.
We started in an apartment, like he said, moved to after a while, we moved to 500 square feet location, sublet, right? And then we moved to 1,000 square feet, and then we moved to 2,000 square feet. And now we're here 4,000 square feet. 5. Is it 5? Okay.
Ayon sa datos ng Statistics Canada noong 2001, sa panahong iyon, nasa 328,000 lamang na mga Pilipino ang naninirahan sa Canada. Malayo kumpara sa nasa 1 milyong Pilipino ngayon sa bansa.
80s, very less Filipino until like 90s, becoming more and more. And I said, oh, this is a big chance now. The populations of the Filipinos getting larger and larger. So I said, well, what can I offer to the community that we're so malungkot at that time, right?
Sa pamamagitan ng sariling sikap, inaral kung paano lutuin ang sikat na putahe mula Pilipinas at itinayo ang negosyo bilang isang part-time accountant.
Way back 1999, 75 cents per one chicharon, 100 grams. Yeah, weekly sales is around, in 1 month, I was crying if I break down $250. So
you bring home $250?
yeah, $250. It's very low.
Right now we are going mainstream. Sobeys, Foodland, and Selected Fresco.
Mahigit 20 taon na ngayon ang negosyo. Lumawak na ang family business sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Ontario. Anila hindi raw bababa sa 4,500 mga chicharon packs ang kanilang ihinahatid kada linggo sa iba pang Filipino businesses at malalaking grocery stores mula Scarborough, Durham Region, Peel Region at downtown Toronto.
Where is the chicharon magic happening?
Right
Here?
Yeah.
How does it sound like when
Deep
the
fryer.
chicharon starts frying?
Like that. Sizzle.
It sizzles. How much pork do you put there po?
Well, let's say that they process 1,000 kg, 1,200 kg.
Hindi na bago ang pamilya Amurao sa mga hamon pagdating sa negosyo sa mga nagdaang taon. Pero nahaharap sila ngayon sa economic uncertainty at inflation.
Gasoline is like a bloodline. Actually, the materials here to process everything from oil, pork skin, packaging. It all went up, almost triple, almost triple.
Ingredients.
Yeah, ingredients.
Our margin is not increasing. Our profit is not increasing. It's just to level up with the inflation.
Pero anumang pagsubok ang darating, patuloy pa rin daw nilang isusulong ang Porky's Chicharon. Lalo't patuloy ding dumarating ang mga ideya para sa isa sa mga paboritong snack sa Pilipinas.
Cook sisig takes you about 3-4 hours to cook. This one here, 2 minutes.
I'll make you lazy.
Just pop it into the microwave. There's a sauce inside, okay, and there's an instruction here. Pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes. After that, mix it up, put a chopped onion. You can eat it with rice, or every Friday, this is my pulutan.
Quitting, it's not on my slate. Until I have until I'm still alive, I'm not gonna quit.
We're trying to build a legacy here.
Yeah.
Not just for us, for the Filipino in itself.
Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.